Trubor nagaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Hakasngi palay Myntri khana kasorkar me lembar DGP ga jilla Meghalaya IG BSF IG CRPF bat kiwei ki he kila hiar shawa Umngot hadaw ki ban Shong Lieng pangat bat sakhi ga jing itanat kani kawa bat ki saudong saukun jongka bat kum juru ban pet yalau jong uput usam kini ki he kila yaro ga jing itanat bat khamtam ga jing khu jong kani kawa DGP LR Bishnoi habaya ro jing itanat kani kawa ula kenturu nong Leit bat nong Shong ba kidewen sumar bat nombrat pathari ki jabo jaban kum ki plastic chips ki bitor bat kiwe di ki jabo
Today, Honorable Minister of State Sri Nityanand Raji inaugurated the Leit station at Dauki, and after the ceremonious functions, we exploited the opportunity to do some boating in one of the Asia's cleanest river, Umngot river. You can see here the ambience is very beautiful, and I along with the IGCRPF here, we enjoyed the boating and it felt extremely good. I have seen here that the people are throwing some plastic papers, plastic bottles, so a lot of cleanliness is required. So my appeal to all the visitors here and the local citizens that they should take care of the health of the river and they should ensure that cleanliness should be maintained. You deployed along the Meghalaya-Bangladesh border, and here itself the BSF station is there. Along with BSF, the local police will also be deployed, and we will ensure the full security as the flow of the people from Bangladesh to Meghalaya will increase. The security will be ensured. Of course, this land port it will be very helpful, and it can regulate the flow of goods as well as the human beings.